Hey y'all, get ready with me for bed. I've just been out with my friends. With my friend, my hair. Oh my god, I've got the hiccups, puffy. I was gonna get some move-in spray, like the Duper Wow. I've got the hiccups all on. Anyway, yeah. I'm watching Netflix. Anyway, yeah, so get ready with me. I've got like really bad hiccups right now, and it's like not the vibe, if you can tell. But first off, I'm gonna do my hair, so I'm gonna have to take this off because, by the way, that's like my finger. Oh my god. But I can't actually bend it. That I can no, maybe I can't. Mind, but I can like straighten it and that's as far as I can bend it. Otherwise, I can't do anything else. Oh crap. I'm gonna put a bit of this in my hair. Oh my god, what am I doing? Oh my god. Oh my god, what am I doing? Oh my god. Hold on, I'm actually having like a This is not like my hair greasy, by the way. Oh my god, I'm actually so annoyed right now. That's all I'm going to do with my hair. I'm going to brush it after this because it's all gone curly. And I need some medical attention right now. Oh my god, I'm actually in pain. To wipe the rest of it out. I wrote on my little thing because otherwise it'd be boring. So I had smiley faces. Someone signed it. And then I just scribbled on the inside of it. Now, clips. I've actually lost them, so do a cute little... Cute. Oh. So today we're going to use my micellar water. Oh, my friend got shit on by a bird. I said, oh, imagine like a bird just shits on us, and then like 10 seconds later, she got picked up by a bird. I'm so sorry for that, but I can't help myself. It was so funny. It wasn't on her hair, it was on her coat, like by her neck, like there, and she had to take her coat off, and it was her favourite coat as well. But honestly, I've never seen anything like it. Fucking hell. Oh. But look how well that mascara just came off them. So I'm actually not feeling well. I went out with my friend to see if it made me feel any better because we went around town, just got some fresh air. I was fine, but on my way walking home, I don't know, I just didn't feel well, and I met a ginger cat as well. I also found my cat that followed me to drop my friend off at her house. He's like trained, like a mobility dog. That sounds really bad. So what I'm gonna do today is just put some Nivea soft on, because my skin, I just need to give it a break from like everything. I say that a lot, but like I do this like once a week. I'm also sorry I don't do get ready with me in the morning. It's because I can't be bothered, and also because I have to wake up really early and I go to sleep really late. So that's why. And for you wondering, I broke my finger. Well, my friend broke my finger. We were playing netball. She threw a ball at me. I tried to catch it because it was like really unexpected. And my finger just did something, and then it hurt. Then I went to reception, and yeah, oh freaking hell. So guys, Singapore Grand Prix this weekend. Anybody gonna watch it? Oh freaking hell. Oh, because I know I am. Period. So y'all, see y'all in the next one. Bye.